$700 PC build. If you search this on YouTube, you will see plenty of videos. But how is this video different from the others? Well, in this video, I will give you a complete guide about which components you should buy for your next PC build. Let's get started. Now for the processor, we have chosen the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. This one costs around $136, and with that price, it's an excellent value for money processor. You will get up to 4.4 GHz clock speed, which is more than enough for your day-to-day usage and also for gaming. And also you will get 6 cores and 12 threads, which will give you medium level performance in video editing. So overall, with this price, it's an excellent deal. Then for the motherboard, we have chosen the ASRock B550M Steel Legend. This one costs around $124, and you will get 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen for SSD support, and you will also get a larger heatsink over your NVMe SSD slot, which will prevent your SSD from getting overheated. You will also get another heatsink over the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling. And as this is a B550M series motherboard, it also supports overclocking. So for a motherboard under $125, it's an excellent deal. Now comes the main part of our build, the graphics card, and we are using an ASRock Radeon RX 6600 8GB. This one costs around $211, and with this graphics card, you can play any modern games at 1080p resolution with high to ultra settings easily and smoothly at 60+ FPS. So this $200 card is all you need to getting started with gaming. Then for the RAM, we have chosen the Team T-Force Delta RGB 16GB. Now each of the sticks are 8GB, so in total we will get 16GB. And as you can see, those white sinks looks excellent on this RAM, and also you are getting a fancy RGB effect on the top. And last but not least, this RAM comes with lifetime warranty, so it's an excellent deal for just under $54. Then for the SSD, we have chosen Team 1TB PCIe Gen 3 SSD. This one cost only $54. Now can you imagine, you are going to get a 1TB PCIe Gen 3 SSD for under $54, and with this SSD you will also get excellent read-write speed, which will give your PC an excellent performance. Then for the power supply, we have chosen the Thermaltake Tough Power 80+ Gold Certified 600W power supply. This one cost around $63. Now as you can see, it's an 80+ Gold Certified power supply, which is excellent for a power supply, and that means it will deliver power to all of our components very safely. And also you are getting 5-year warranty, so it's an excellent deal. And finally for the casing, we are using Deepcool Matrix 50 8RGB. This one costs around $65. You are going to get 4 pre-installed fan, 3 in the front, 1 in the back, and also you will get a glass front, glass side. So it's an excellent looking case for only $165, and all those components will cost you around $706. Hope I was able to help you. Thanks for watching.